Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Monday. Welcome to week 2 of our virtual distance learning. Wanted to just welcome you to Monday. I know Mondays tend to be tough to get going, but remember that you are setting the tone for your week. So choose how you are going to set the tone for your week. Your goals are met with small daily choices. So every small choice that you make throughout this week is going to dictate what your week is going to look like. So make those small choices with confidence, knowing that you're doing what you need to do for yourself to be productive and to be responsible about your schoolwork. Okay. Also, I get it. Some of you are feeling a little discouraged. You're not loving this. This is tough. I get it. It's not easy for me either to transition like this either, but you are tough enough, so I know that you can get through this. Secondly, you may not be able to control this situation. Obviously, none of us absolutely want to be doing school like this, but you are in charge of how you can respond to this situation, and that is dictated by your attitude. Now, number 3, we haven't figured this out yet, but every week we're going to get a little bit better at this distance learning thing. So like I said, in week 1, we're going to have a little bit of grace for each other. Number 4, this challenge is here to teach me something. Guys, you are going to be so much more resilient after this school year is over. You're going to have a whole bunch of things in your back pocket to use going forward because you've lived through this. And then number 5, all you need to do is take one step at a time, breathe, and then do the next right thing. Okay. So as we talked about last week, we're going to go slow to go fast. Okay. So we're going to take this one step at a time, and we will get through this week. Okay, so we've got a full week going this week, so let's take a look at what we've got going on this week. So here's your week at a glance. Remember that this is posted in Google Classroom for you so that you can access this at any time throughout the week in case you want to know what you need to be working on. Okay, so this week we are actually going to be jumping into our 4th quarter unit. So today is going to start with you kind of taking a look at our essential questions for this unit, just like I have with every unit that we've done so far. We're going to take a look at the questions that will be guiding us throughout the rest of the school year. And we're going to take a look at an article that kind of connects with those questions. And then you're going to read your first story on Monday. That is the Triangle Factory Fire. So we're going to ask that you today read that, and there is a assignment that goes with that you should be working on. Now notice that on Tuesday, right here, there are no new assignments, okay? So that gives you Monday and Tuesday to read the story and to complete the assignment that goes with it. Okay, remembering that the directions are posted directly on the assignment, so there will be a video link there for you to see directions on how you need to complete that. Notice here it says that that assignment is due on Wednesday and that you should be prepared to discuss this story on Wednesday. Okay, on Wednesday, you're going to notice that there are going to be a Padlet discussion on that particular story. When we get to Wednesday, there will of course be a link to Padlet that will walk you through how you're going to have this online discussion. Obviously, this is a new format for all of us, so we're going to give it a shot. It may go great. It may require some adjustments, so we're just going to give it a shot for this week. After you do your Padlet group discussion, which shouldn't take you long, you're going to read your second story of the week, entitled Women in Aviation. Again, there will be an assignment that goes with that particular story that you'll need to complete. Now remember here, you can see right here, I got a little star here to remind you that I do have office hours on Wednesday from 1:15 to 2:15. Should you need to pop on and ask me any questions, or you just need to chat about something, remember that that is the time I will be available. Okay, moving on to Thursday. Again, no new assignments, just everything that you needed to do on Wednesday. So that means finish reading Women in Aviation and finish the assignment. Note that is due on Friday and that you should be prepared again to discuss the story on Friday. So on Friday, you are going to come ready to discuss the story, and you'll be completing a visual thinking routine in Canva. I'm thinking that most of you know how to do that, but if you're not sure how to do that, there will again be a tutorial on how to do that. And then remember, we are ending each week recording our pits and peaks of the week, and then that will all be due by the following Monday. Okay, remember that In addition to the week at a glance, I have every day broken down Monday through Friday with the materials that you'll need and the homework. Remembering that Tuesday and Thursday, no new assignments. You get to work at your own pace. Okay, Wednesday you get the new assignments. Thursday you have an additional day to work on it. So this means, guys, that if on Monday you decide that you really want to get everything done with that first story in the assignment so that you don't have to do anything on Tuesday, great, do it. Same thing on Wednesday. You want to get everything done so that you have Thursday off? Great, do it. So we're going to allow you to do whatever you need to do to make this work for you. Just remembering that you should be working about 30 minutes every day or any combination of that, which totals up to 2.5 hours. Okay, so if you have any questions about these assignments throughout the week, you obviously know you can email me or we can touch base during our Zoom office hours. Okay, as soon as you're done with this video, you're going to go and you're going to do that check-in form for me so I know that you've watched this video and you know what your assignments are for the week. Okay, guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.